Hello, I just wanted to show you how quickly this class is going to go. I'm showing you my Moodle screen, which it might be a little different looking than yours, but for week one, which is going to be a little lengthier than normal, it is going to include some stuff from just beginning of the semester stuff, like the syllabus stuff and student agreement form, things like that. So you won't always have quite this much like you will have in week one, but week one, you'll have to do a student agreement form, the syllabus, homework, a discussion forum, and then we're going to get started with our information. We will have chapter one, which we won't really cover. It's just a review of some math concepts. So just read through the book. If you get stuck on something, let me know, but I think it should all be reviewed for you. Now, chapter two will start the good stuff. So read chapter two in your textbook, and then we will have a lesson, a homework, a case study, and a quiz. Okay. Now, again, beginning of the semester, I do also have a practice typing math assignment in there for you, just so you can get used to using the computer to do these things. And there's some conversion factors that you need to print, memorize, put them on some note cards. You got to get them memorized quickly. Okay. So that's all for chapter two. Also, we will be doing chapter three in this week. Again, lesson, homework, case study, and quiz. And chapter four, lesson, homework, case study, and quiz. And then over the weekend, you can do exam one. And then we will finally start week two. Week two will cover 3 chapters, and each of those chapters will have a lesson, homework, case study, and quiz. And then we'll do exam two. Okay, so every week you are going to cover 3 chapters and do a quiz. Okay, so it is going to go very, very fast. We've got to cram a normal 16-week semester into 4 weeks. So get ready.